To build the voice of the mountains, he doesn't start with a chisel. He starts with fire. He places burning charcoal inside a massive paulownia log, using a blowpipe to drive the heat deep into the core. It is controlled destruction, hollowing the wood while hardening it against rot. For the head, he trusts the old ways. He submerges a raw ox hide in a bubbling pool of quicklime. The alkaline water dissolves the hair and fat naturally, leaving a skin that is translucent, tough, and ready to sing. He weaves a web of leather between the two heads. There are no metal screws here. He uses wooden wedges hammered into the rope loops. It is a masterpiece of primitive physics. Driving the wedge down expands the loop, pulling the skin tighter until the drum screams. He hammers copper tacks along the rim, the golden lock that signifies a finished treasure. It is not finished until he sketches ancient geometric totems directly onto the wood. Using traditional red, black, and yellow pigments, he hand paints the symbols of his people. As long as we keep watching, the fire will never go out. Subscribe to help us preserve history.